What?
Oh, Daddy, listen me. No. Uh-oh, down it, Dad. Listen me.
You see the leaves? They fall down like that? The leaves on the tree?
Get up. Come back to my... Listen me. No. Dad, it's not. It's sorry. So, it's time out.
Why are they going to get time out? Who's getting time out?
It's a pet.
Who's got time out? Nobody did anything wrong. I don't see anybody with time out. Did you color today? What's the matter, baby?
Just.
What's that?
Just, I'm big.
Here. Did you color? Show Mommy what you did. Can you show Mommy what you colored?
No way.
No way? Why? Okay. I love you. What's the matter?
Where's the race part?
We put the bus in the back.
Back.
Now it's in the front.
Bus race.
Hey. Oh. Where's your ball? Where's the red ball?
See it?
Where? Oh, okay. You hear the trees? No, don't throw it over there, baby. Okay, it's gone.
Go.
Give me the rest of them. Don't throw them. Give it to Mommy. Put them on the table, please.
No way.
5, 4, 3. Danny. Okay, Mommy's going to get the rest.